Alright, how's everybody doing today? Today is Thanksgiving. I've got some planned for today if you already haven't read by the title. I've got some stuff to put in this bake crate box that I'm going to get into in a minute. Also, there's one extra thing that I'm going to be putting the knife up to. This is the Favorite Rod Whitebird. This is my old Whitebird I made on the Favorite Rod USA Whitebird review video. This one has a broken tip and I really can't do anything with it. I was gonna send it in, but you know whatever, I might actually still, but you put a knife against this and we go against the blank, the cork, and how strong everything is on this rod. This rod's amazing, so let's see how really strong it is. But first, let's get into what's in the box. Well, I shot it with this thing. I shot it with a little mini crossbow, so yeah, let's see what's in this real quick. So what I did was I just put a bunch of old stuff that I had that I think would be good. Right here I've got some old 20-pound braid by Spiderwire. Then I've got some more crankbaits with no hooks on them. Spook, I might actually keep that one. Some soft plastics, Senkos, swim baits, and then the box. So let's heat up the knife real quick. Well, it's red. My light went out on me, so let's start out with a crankbait. Oh, that does not smell good. Oh. Ew. Oh, knife's still hot. Well, that's what it's looking like right now. Chopped it in half. Ugh. That's just straight. Popped it right off. Alright, well, guess there's the square bill. What the heck? It wasn't recording. It wasn't recording. Oh my gosh. Oh god. Flying pieces everywhere. Alright, well, there's a... $1,000-degree knife versus, you know, apparently a shotgun because there's like BBs everywhere, but KVD's Sexy Shad. Let's see if I can do that. Oh. Ah! Oh, baby. I don't think it's going to do anything. I don't feel like it's going to do anything, but... Get this one nice and red hot. That's time for me. Oh. Nothing. Cut. Wow. Oh, we're seeing something. That's it. Boom, come on. kidding me, right? That's it. Oh my god, dude, this is...
That's a strong rod. I'll give you that. That's a... Well, the knife's melted just a little bit, but
This... Rock... Hold on. The rod... Okay. Let's just say this. That rod's $50 by Favorite. I can't... Nothing's breaking. Okay. Everything... Nothing's happening to it besides the foam and a little bit of the plastic. Just a little bit. And it's not breaking. Literally, I could chop down on that blank and nothing's going to happen. Nothing is happening. Besides the cork, just a little bit. Just little accent marks. But this rod is still fishable if the rod tip wasn't broken, of course. But, like, just a little foam, the cork just a little bit, and the plastic right here. It still twists and everything. All this is still fishable, but it won't break. Finally. God. It took me forever to break this thing. This is a tough rod by Favorite, so definitely check out Favorite Rod, USA Whitebird. Black Friday is going to be today and tomorrow. Today is Thanksgiving. Tomorrow they're going to be having a bunch of sales on combos, like hundreds of dollars off. Just a lot of money is going off, like 50% on the Summit and everything, or not the Summit, the Jackhammer and everything like that. So go check out Favorite. This is just a little video I wanted to make. Alright, let's hit the line. Let's do this.
wanting to do one of these, let's just say after you do this a couple times, the knife doesn't get like red. It's still the same like temperature. It's still hot as all get out. You don't turn red.
Ah.
Oh. Let me zoom in on